What's the meaning of apiculture? Apiculture. Apiculture. Apiculture.
Apiculture. Apiculture. Apiculture refers to the practice of maintaining and cultivating honeybees, primarily for their honey, beeswax, and other valuable products such as royal jelly and pollen. It involves managing hives, controlling diseases and pests, and harvesting honeycombs. The benefits of apiculture include the production of honey and beeswax that can be sold for commercial purposes, as well as the pollination of crops by bees, which increases agricultural yields. Additionally, the practice of apiculture is important in conservation efforts as it helps to maintain bee populations and preserve biodiversity.